YouTube? What is good? Welcome to another video. As you see, got my TRF merch on. But right now I am at the airport. I am about to fly to California to pick up my TRF hoodies. A week and a half ago, I did a pre-order for some hoodies, and I pretty much sold out of the pre-order. So now I'm about to take you through the process of me like picking up the hoodies, shipping out the hoodies, just the whole behind the scenes process. Also let you know how much money I made just with the whole entire process. But before we get started, man, smash the like button. Also, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe, and also drop a comment. Now let's get right into it. Alright, so I just landed in San Francisco. Right now I am in a Lyft heading to pick up a rental car. Pretty much renting a car for the time that I'm out here just so I can get things done efficiently. There's no reason for me to have to, you know, keep taking lifts here or there. I just rather move around, you know what I'm saying, how I want to and freely. So Lyft is probably like taking me like 5 minutes away from where the airport is. I use Turo too. I've never used Turo before. Has anybody ever used Turo? Comment below, let me know if you ever used Turo. This is my first time ever using it. It was pretty simple. It was like 2 steps, not even. So I'm headed in now. I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, so I just made it to the car that I'm renting. It's a 2017 BMW. I actually like it. I've never driven a, well, I won't say that. I've driven a BMW before, but I've never driven this type of BMW. So I used Turo. Turo was like super simple and easy to use. This is a 330i BMW. So right now what I'm about to do is I'm about to go pick up my TRF hoodies, and then I am about to start the process of packaging everything up. I'm about to meet with the manufacturer, talk to him. I'm gonna get some other items made. Probably get some hats, some shirts, some joggers. But I really want to I'm taking this serious, man. So everything I'm doing, super professional. Everything I'm doing is like well thought out. And I just want to say thank you. If you watching this and you support me, whether you watching my videos, whether you buy my merch, whether you buy my books, I literally just want to say thank you, because I wouldn't be able to do none of this stuff that I'm doing without you. So it's definitely a blessing, you know what I'm saying? And it's definitely, you know, just motivating and inspiring. And hopefully, you know, I'm gonna inspire somebody else to chase their dreams and to, you know, just act on that plan that you have in your mind. Cause that's all I did. I just acted on the plan, and you know, it's working so far. So just want to keep being positive. Just want to keep, you know, going forward. So I'm about to start the car up for y'all, man. And I'm about to go pick up these hoodies. All right, so right now, I just meeting with the manufacturer, finishing up folding all the product right here. Pretty much sold out of everything. I had like a couple more hoodies that's available, but this is like where he makes everything. This is Ryan. So what's up, Ryan?
What's up?
You're going on my channel. So these are all the hoodies. Looks good. So everything goes like right under here, and then this is the thread, a different color thread. Yeah, different color
thread comes in here, and then the needle.
So you just put them all up under here, and 5 of them be going at a time.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
How'd you get into this? Like, what made you get into embroidery?
On accident.
Really? That's how everything happens. I got into trucking on accident.
My family friend was selling the business, and I had just left my career, so he was like, "You want to buy my business?" And I was like, "I need a job."
Yeah.
So.
No, that's sweet. And then you just take it to another level. All right, so right now, we're about to get a sample of product made. I want some joggers made, so he's about to make me a sample right now, and I'm gonna just record it so, you know, you can see it as well. So right now he's setting everything up. He's gonna put the logo right there, and put it under the machine. And then I'm also about to get some trucker hats made, but he has to recalibrate the system and send a logo in for trucker hats, because it's different than clothes. So really taking y'all behind the scenes, man, showing y'all just the whole entire process. As you can see, my logo is set up in the machine right there. That's kind of sweet. Do you already had that in there or something, or how did you get that up there so quick?
That was just the last thing I used.
Oh, that was the last. Oh, okay.
I was like, you know, then I just call them when I need help or whatever.
Yeah. So got my logo, a little screen, set everything up.
Harder to get this.
This is easy because it just does it by itself. Really, once you.
Yeah, the biggest issue was like when the machine does, the thread will break or something, and just knowing how to like fix the little problems when they come up is kind of the hardest part. But
Problem solving.
once you get the hang of that, it's no big deal. I gotta turn all these off, sorry. We'll trace it. That's really as far over as I can get it.
Oh no, yeah, that's fine. I never saw this before, so it's interesting. How long does it usually take?
Okay, so you see here, total is 3,300 stitches. And right now it's doing like 600 a minute. So at that rate, it'll be about, I don't know, I'll bump it up to like 750. It'll be like 4 or 5 minutes.
So what's the difference between having it at a lower RPM and having it at a higher RPM?
Not really anything.
Quality?
Doesn't change the quality at all. I would say the thread tends to break a little bit more.
Oh, when it's faster?
It goes faster, but and on hats you can't go so fast because it's rotating the hat. So you gotta go like down to 500 with the hat. For the most part, it doesn't need it.
This is sweet.
Thread broke.
So this is what you was just talking about, pretty much knowing how to
Right. Yeah.
solve these little problems that come up. So just finished.
So you
You just gotta cut the.
these loose threads here. Just cut these off the back.
Oh, then that's the thing you put in the inside.
Yeah, just kind of stabilize it. Sorry.
This is real behind the scenes, man.
You're all done.
I like that. These are joggers. Let me know in the comments below, man, if you like these. If I should get more of them made. Yeah, this is sweet. All right, so I just made it to the hotel. I am staying at the Hilton in San Francisco. So pretty much right now what I'm about to do is I'm about to unload all of my bags, take it up to the room, and then I'm about to start working on packaging up everything so I can ship everything out tomorrow morning early. All right, so I just put everything on a little cart. And this is the lobby of the hotel. This is a really nice hotel. Never really been here before. I've been to a lot of hotels, but this hotel is really nice. I like it. It's like a bar over there. Probably end up going there later today. I don't really drink like that, but yeah, man, I just want to document all of this stuff. Like, this is like real, like behind the scenes, like raw footage, and just showing people like, man, like I'm doing all of this like alone by myself. Like, so I just want to show people like anything is possible. So pretty much about to just walk y'all through the whole entire process. This is the first time I ever did anything like this, so really wanted to like come out here, get everything, meet with the manufacturer. He made me some samples. I ordered some more samples from him. So pretty much like I'm really about to invest everything into this because I understand like this has potential, and you know, I just want to show people too along the way like you can do it too. All you gotta do is just start. So we walk into the elevator now. I'm on the 36th floor. I like being on high floors. Alright, so right now I am in the hotel room and I am putting in some work. So right now, this is the label printer. It's my computer. These are all my bags. I got custom shipping bags. So when people get it, this is, you know, what they gonna receive it in. Then I also got all of my hoodies right here. So I pretty much sold out of all of this product. I probably have like 5 hoodies or 6 hoodies left, because the manufacturer gave me a couple extra because I did a big order. But these are like mediums right here. These are smalls, these are larges. These are like XLs right here. So I'm just taking y'all behind the scenes, man, because this is gonna inspire somebody. And you know, I'm just doing all of this by myself. Like, there's nobody else in here with me. You know what I'm saying? I got something on my face. But there's nobody else in here with me, man. I flew all the way out to California. I'm packaging everything. I'm shipping everything by myself. But as I get bigger and as I grow more, then I'm going to like outsource, and I'm going to like build a team. That's my main goal, because if I'm able to do all of this by myself, just imagine what I'm going to be able to do once I get a team, man. So, you know, I just want to show people, you know, that anything is possible when you believe and then you put the action in. And I promise, if you work hard and you put the action in, you can achieve anything. So I'm gonna show y'all this view, man. This view is crazy out here. I'm probably gonna make a video out here just talking. It's locked. I have to unlock it. But this view out here is crazy, man. That's like the bay over there. You got a view of the water. I'm on the 36th floor, so you know, as I'm packaging up all of these things, I'm just looking outside, just catching the view. So, you know, this is just documentation, not only for myself, you know, because I'm gonna watch all of this, you know, as time go on. Like 5 years from now, I'm like, man, my first drop. This was my first drop ever. You know what I'm saying? And I sold out pretty much. So it's just monumental, man. And I'm telling you, like, this is only the beginning. Like, I promise you, like, all of this stuff is just making me work harder. It's just making me believe in myself more. It's making me more confident. And then people are gonna see that, and people are gonna be motivated too. So, you know, it's gonna be people that come back and be like, man, you motivated me to do this, 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 and this. And, you know, I just wanna pay you homage. And I don't do it for, you know, people coming back, but I do it because it was somebody who inspired me to, you know, get to this point that I'm at. You know, it was multiple people that inspired me. So I just want to be that person. You know, I just want to be that person now. You know, that's inspiring people to, you know, be their best selves. So I'm about to finish packaging all this stuff up, and then I am shipping everything out tomorrow. YouTube, it is pretty much the end of this vlog. It has been a very, very long day. It is currently 12:20. See if it focuses. It's 12:29 a.m. and I have been working all day. Here are all of the packages. I boxed up pretty much everything, man, or packaged up everything, and this is all that I have left. So if you want some hoodies, I have large through XX. Pretty much the manufacturer gave me some extra because I ordered so much from him, and just because sometimes he makes mistakes. so he wanted to give me some extra. So I have less than 10 left. So if you made it to the end of this video and you want a hoodie, they are on my site. I have less than 10, so I don't know when you're watching this, but right now, as of, what's today's date? October 16th, 2021, I have about 10 hoodies left, and this is just the extras. So also, I also wanted to show you this. This is how much I made from the hoodies. So you see my total sales, you see $5,012. So, you know, I like to be authentic on my channel, and I just like to show the real. I just showed you the behind the scenes process. I literally spent all day packaging this stuff up. Now I have to take it to the post office tomorrow, and I'm just exhausted right now. So I'm about to go to sleep, man. I'm about to get some rest, and I gotta ship these out. So the work still is not done, man. So I'm just showing y'all, like, this stuff takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of time. If you stay dedicated, man, you never know what this can turn into. Like, one day this is going to turn into a whole entire warehouse, and I want to have people helping me package. You know, I'm gonna have a bigger manufacturer, etc., etc. But you got to start somewhere, and I started here, and I'm doing all of this stuff by myself. I'm doing all of this stuff, you know, I'm doing all of this stuff just, you know, just through intuition, just through, you know, perseverance, and just through, like, commitment. You know, I made a commitment to something, and I'm sticking with it. So I feel like I'm rambling now, man, but I'm just so tired. And, you know, I just wanted to show y'all, you know, I'm about to show y'all one more time. So there's my computer, there's a label printer, there's all the packages, man. And, you know, I'm in a hotel room in California right now. So I flew all the way across the country just so I could do this, and, you know, I just wanted to document everything. So if you made it to the end, I greatly appreciate it. I know some people probably gonna stop watching halfway through, or, you know, in the first couple minutes. But if you on the other side of the screen, if you made it all the way to the end, man, drop a comment, please. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, smash the like button. If you're a new subscriber and you made it all the way to the end, you're a real one. But I'll see you on the next one, man. Shh.